Students, listen question number 6. A circular path has to be constructed around a circular lawn. If the outer and inner circumference of the path are 88 cm and 44 cm respectively, find the width and area of the path. In this question, inner circumference and outer circumference is given. Using that two values, you have to find out width of the path and also area of the path. Okay.
Listen,
Solution for the
circular
question.
lawn. Outer circumference of inner lawn is 44 centimeter and circumference of outer lawn is how much centimeter?
Inner circumference equal
centimeter.
to
The question is, we have to find out the
44
width
centimeter.
of this
Then
lawn and
we can find the
also
difference
area
between
of the
these two circumference.
lawn. Okay.
2 pi r
See.
minus 2 pi r equal to
Outer
88
circumference
minus
88
44.
centimeter. Then outer
From
means
this
radius
we can take 2 pi
capital
outside,
R. So
capital
2 pi
R
r equal to
minus
88
small r
centimeter.
inside.
Inner
Because 2 pi
circumference
is
also
common
given
for both terms.
44 centimeter.
It is equal to
2 pi
44.
small r equal to 44 centimeter.
Substitute the value
now,
of pi.
we are going to take the
2
difference
into
between
22
two
by
circumference.
7 into
2 pi
r
capital R minus 2
equal
pi
to
small r
44.
equal to
R
88
minus
minus
r
44.
equal to
From this we can
44
take 2 pi
by
outside
2
because 2 pi is common for
into
both the
22
terms. So we can take 2 pi outside
multiplied by
inside the
7.
bracket capital R
When we
minus
cancel
small
this,
r
we get the
equal to
answer
44.
outer radius
Okay.
minus inner
Substitute
radius
the
equal
value
to
of
7
pi
centimeter.
22 divided by 7.
So, the width
Now,
of the lawn is
capital
7 centimeter.
R minus
Also, we have to
small
find
r
out the
equal to
area of the lawn.
44.
Okay.
Bring this
For
22
that,
into
2 pi r
2
plus
that
2
we
pi
can write
r
down
equal
and
to
the denominator
132.
7 is here that we can write in the numerator. Okay.
Area of
Cancel
the path is equal
2
to
and 44 22 times, otherwise 22 and 44 cancel, here 1 time, here 2 times. Cancel again 2 and 2. What is remaining? 4 into 7 equal to 7. So capital R minus small r is 7 centimeter. Capital R minus small r means what? See, from this center we can take this is capital R minus small r, that is the width of the circular lawn. Okay, width of the circular lawn is 7 centimeter. Next we are going to find out area of the lawn. For that we can add the circumference. 2 pi capital R plus 2 pi small r equal to 132. 2 pi outside, capital R plus small r equal to 132. Pi equal to 22 by 7. Then bring this 2 into 22 into by 7, we can bring right side. Okay. So 132 multiplied by 7, 2 and 22 we can write in the denominator. Cancel 2 and 132, 66. Then cancel 22 3 times 66. Okay. 3 into 7 equal to 21 centimeter. So capital R plus small r equal to 21 centimeter. Next, area of the path. That means area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Area of the circle formula pi r square. Okay. From this we can take pi outside. So pi into r square minus r square, which is equal to pi into r square minus r square. This r square minus r square we can write r plus r into r minus r. Okay. Next, pi value 22 by 7. R plus r value already we get here 21 centimeter. R minus r, width of the ring, that is 7 centimeter. Cancel 7 and 7. Multiply 22 into 21. Multiply it. 1 into 22, 22. 2 into 22, 44. Add this, we get 462. This is the area of the lawn. Okay.
Question number 7. A cow is tethered with a rope of length 35 meter at the center of the rectangular field of length 76 meter and breadth 60 meter. Find the area of the land that the cow cannot grass.
Listen, solutions for that question. Length of the rectangular field is 76 meter. Breadth of the field is 60 meter. The question is area of the land the cow cannot grass. Okay. So, first we can find out this area of this rectangle. Then we can find out area of the land the cow can grass. Okay. When we subtract that two, we get the answer. Yes. Length of the field is 76 meter. Breadth of the field is 60 meter. Area of the field, that is rectangular field. Area of rectangle formula L into B square units. L equal to 76, B equal to 60. When we multiply these two numbers, we get the answer 4560 meter. This is the area of the rectangular field. Okay. Next we are going to find out area of the land the cow can grass. That means this area we are going to find out. Here this is the rope. Length of the rope is 35 meter. That means radius of this circle is 35 meter. Okay. Length of the rope equal to 35 meter. Using that we can find area of the land that cow can grass. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Pi equal to 22 by 7. R square 35 into 35. Cancel 7 and 35. Here 1 time, here 5 times. 22 into 5 into 35. How much? 175. When we multiply these two numbers, we get the answer 3850 meter square. This is what? The area of the land that cow can grass. Okay. What is our question? Area of the land the cow cannot grass. For that, subtract area of the land minus area of the land that cow can grass. Okay. See. Area of the land the cow cannot grass equal to area of the field minus area of the circle. Already we found this 4560 minus 3850. When we cancel this, what we get? See, 4560, 3850. Subtract it 0, 6 minus 5, 1. Borrow 1 from here. So this place is what? 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So the answer is 710 meter square.
Question number 11. A strip of 4 cm wide is cut and removed from all the side of a rectangular cardboard with dimensions 30 cm into 20 cm. Find the area of the portion and area of the remaining cardboard.
Listen the solution. This is the cardboard. Here width of the strip equal to 4 cm. This strip is cut out from this cardboard. Okay. So first we can find out the area of rectangular cardboard. That means outer rectangular cardboard. 30. Length of the cardboard is 30 centimeter and breadth is equal to here 20 centimeter. Multiply 30 into 20 equal to 600 centimeter square. That is the area of outer rectangle cardboard. See, width of the strip is how much centimeter given? 4 centimeter. So, next we are going to find out area of the inner rectangle. After we can subtract. Okay. To find area of the inner rectangle, we know length of the inner rectangle and breadth of the inner rectangle. Okay. How we can find out length of the inner rectangle? Total length is equal to how much? 30. From this we have to subtract 2 width. Here one width, here one width. Okay. So, Length of inner rectangle equal to, this is length of outer rectangle minus 2 width. Outer rectangle 30, 2 into width equal to 4. So 30 minus 8 is equal to 22 centimeter. This is length of the inner rectangle. That means this distance. Then to find breadth of the inner rectangle, breadth of outer rectangle minus 2 width. 20 minus 8 equal to 12 centimeter. Using these two values, we can find out area of inner rectangle. The formula is L into B square units. So 22 into 12 is equal to how much? 264 centimeter square. This is the area of the inner rectangle. Area of removed portion, for that we can subtract area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Area of outer rectangle is 600. Area of inner rectangle is 264. When we subtract these two numbers, we get the answer 336 centimeter square. This is the area of the removed portion.
Today's homework from exercise 2.4, sums 9 and 10.